what is up? We're actually gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. We're gonna be playing Subway Surfers, and if you hear my friend in the background, he's talking to me on PlayStation. So ignore him. Then, if you play any music, I will kill you. And yeah. The most I've ever scored in Subway Surfers is 2700. Shut up, then. I don't think that's even my score, even though that's probably my actual profile picture. That's not my actual score, so that's a liar. So don't believe that. Try not to listen to Vincent. Just kidding. He's gonna get a YouTube channel tomorrow. So yeah. So I'll leave his link in the description, even if this does make it to YouTube. It's Sniper19 or Sniper99. Remember to smash that like button. We're not leaving right now, but yeah. Actual name, Vincent. The actual name is Vincent. Don't say my actual name, I'll kill you. My actual name is Dead Angel, just kidding. That's not my actual name, I'm not going to tell you my actual name. Everybody say bye. Hot damn. Boom! Oh my god, hit that train right there. I know, make sure you were in it. The video didn't even end, man. Okay! Okay, guys, I have to go to screen record and stop. Make sure the frickin' video is done. So, sorry for the language. Fricking is not a good word. Sorry for saying that. If that, said anything to anyone, sorry. Bye-bye.